guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing olive smoky eye. I think it's perfect for the fall time. Honestly, like this color is just fall. Before we get on to the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will also be linking my social media just in case you want to follow me. Just saying. If you would like to learn how I created this look, then go ahead and keep on watching. So we're gonna go ahead and repeat what we did on this side on this one. And for today's look, I'm going to be using, again, the Morphe times Jaclyn Vault palette. But before that, I'm going to go ahead and prime with my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. Okay, we're all set. Now for the first shade, I'm going to be taking Access. And for that, I'm taking a Morphe 511. And I'm just going to place that color on my crease. I'm going to go in circular motions. And I'm also going to bring this down on my outer corner. Now once we have built that up, I'm going to go ahead with the shade Agent. And I'm going to go ahead and take Morphe R40 brush. And we're going to place this right on the same area. Alrighty. And then for the next shade, I'm going to be taking Smooth Criminal. And I'm going to take a Morphe M411. Now we're going to start on our outer corner. And then work our way into the crease. Now for the next shade, I'm going to take Pro right here. And I'm taking a Morphe M514. Just going to place that on the outer corner. And work my way into the crease. We're just going to use very little of this shade. Not too much. Just intensifying the crease a little bit. Now for the start of the show, we're going to take Top Secret, and I'm taking Morphe R39 brush. And then we're just going to start packing this on the lid. Now I'm taking some of Prowl and I'm just going to place that in the outer corner. Just blend it a little. And then I'm taking more Top Secret. And then I'm just going to take one of the other brushes with Pro Digital Product. Just going to blend out that outer corner. So we're going to come back to the eyes. I'm going to work on my face. For primer, I'm using my Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched base. Yeah, base. And I'm also going to take a little bit of this Smashbox Photofinish primer, just for my cheek area. because I have really big pores. So just right here. So for foundation, I'm going to take the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. I recently just got this and it's expensive. It's expensive, but it's really good. Like, really good. Like, it hurts my wallet so bad, but it's so good. And I'm just going to take some, like 3 pumps on the back of my hand. And I'm taking my beauty blender. I'm just going to dot this all over my skin. Now for concealer, I'm taking Too Faced Born This Way concealer. Now for powder, I'm taking this Maybelline Fit Me powder. And I just got this. I've never actually tried it. I'm not mad at it. I like it. It's actually really nice. I'm not gonna lie. Now, I'm also going to go ahead and set my eyebrows. Just set them in place. And then for bronzer, I'm going to go ahead and take my Tarteist Pro Glow palette. And I'm going to take the shade Sculpt right here. And I'm taking my Morphe M530. Now, I'm taking the Morphe R7 brush. I'm just going to take the same shade and go on top of that just a little bit, just to diffuse it. Now for my nose, I'm taking this little brush right here in that same shade. I'm just going to contour my nose. Now for blush, I'm taking this Pacifica coconut blush duo thing. And I'm going to take this shade right here. Just going to do a very light blush. And I'm also going to take out the sides of my nose. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut the bottom of my contour with some of that Maybelline powder. We're just going to let it sit there for a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and work on my lower lash lines. So let me get you guys up close and personal. Go ahead and take a black liner. So I did go ahead and do my lower lash line because my camera turned off. But the shades that I used were Agent, Smooth Criminal, Prowl, and then Top Secret. I'm going to go ahead and spray my face with some Mario Badescu. And for lashes, I'm going to use some Lash Kitty Premium Lashes, and I'm using... I'm going to go ahead and use these right here. So I'm going to go ahead and pop those on, and then I'll be right back. Now, I did apply my lashes off camera. I also did line my lips with the NYX Suede pencil in Sandstorm. For the lip color, I'm going to do this OFRA lip in Verona. Now for highlighter, I'm gonna try these new highlighters that I got. So it's this Physicians Formula Butter highlighter, and I tried this one before, but in a different shade, the pearl shade. This is actually champagne. And I also got the Master Chrome by Maybelline, and this is in molten gold. I'm gonna try both of them just for the sake of it. So I'm gonna wet my brush a bit, and I'm gonna dip into molten gold first. Ooh, this is really nice. This is like really buttery. It's crazy. Now I'm gonna dip into the Physicians Formula. Whoa. That is so light. Whoa. And I'm also gonna apply some of this on my inner corner. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did. Also, don't forget to comment down below. Feel free to comment like anything you want. If you love this look, comment down below. If you want to see anything on my next video, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video.